I have been meaning to film this lip combo for the longest now, so I thought I'd just quickly show you guys while I get ready for work. I'm going to go in with MAC Cork lip liner. Make sure everything is nice, sharp, symmetrical and even. So it will always go from the corners outwards, and then after I will just shade from the corners inwards. Make sure everything's all even. And then I'm going to go in with the new MAC Lock Kiss Ink Liquid Lip. These are insane. Oh, this is in the shade Teaser, by the way. These are insane. These will not budge. This is 24-hour wear. I'm going to do about 2 layers because this is more of a medium to full buildable coverage. And then you can either leave it like this if you want a matte finish, but I'm going to go in with the clear lip gloss just to make it look nice and juicy. And what I love about this formula is I can wear a lip gloss. The lip gloss might come off, but the formula does not budge. It doesn't crack. It doesn't make my lips dry. I love it.